life and time. I've sung it other songs and made some bad rhymes. I've acted on my lover stages with 10,000 people watching. Well, but we're on now, and I'm singing a song to you. I know your image of me is what I hope to be. After you I'm countless, but darling, can't you see? There's no one more important to me. Daylight can just see through me. Well now, and I'm singing a song to you. Yeah. You told me precious secret, all the truth that will hold in nothing. You came out in front, and I was hiding. Yeah. But no one's so much better, and if my words don't come together, listen to the melody, 'cause my love is in that hiding. I love you in a place where there's no space or time. I love you for my life. Yeah. You are a friend of mine. And when my life is over, remember when we were together. We were alone, and I was singing a song for you. This song is 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 for you. You. I love you in a place like this one, where there's no space or time. I love you for my life. You had a friend of mine. And when my life is over, remember when we were together. We're alone, and I was singing a song to you. We were alone, and I was singing a song to you. We were alone, and I was singing a song. Oh yeah, singing a song. And when I'm singing a song, it's for you. You've been on my mind. I grow fonder every day, losing myself in a time. Just thinking of your face, God only knows why it's taken me so long to let my doubts go. You're the only one that I want. I don't know why I'm scared. I've been here before. Every feeling, every word, I've imagined it all. You never